Today is January 5, 2021, and we're heading to the doctor's office for Damien's third-year checkup appointment.
Hours later.
Yes, go inside. Go, come on. Here I got the main ingredients that I needed, such as kimchi and red pepper paste. Let's go get the snack, your favorite spicy snack. Where is it? Where's the snack that you like? The spicy snack. Yes. Go find it over there. There. Have you seen it? Where is it? Do you like this one? You like that? Damien! Okay, let's look for the noodles. We went home, now it's time to cook dinner. These are the things that we need to be able to cook this dish: soft tofu or silken tofu, cooked fish cake, two tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoons gochugaru or Korean red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon gochujang paste, 1/2 cup spring onion, 1/2 cup kimchi, 1/2 cup thin sliced pork, 1 egg, and 4 cloves of chopped garlic. We will also need 2 cups of water, ground pepper, and salt to taste.